Díomh cardja is mis Brónagh agus fáilte go dtí Ciorcal fuála. This week we'll be making egg-shaped placemats. So you'll have everything in your pack and you need to use your stencil to cut out the fabrics, and we've used contrasting fabrics just so you can switch it about. So after you cut out your fabric, you need to place it onto the wadding and cut that out. Place the wadding in between the two pieces of material. And then pin them in place. You stitch around the sides, making sure you get it all in. This one was done by hand stitching, but if you have a sewing machine, you can use that, and it's just a bit quicker. So after you've sewed them together, you take your ribbon and you pin this in place. And you just make sure that you've got it on both sides. You can use a contrasting colour thread like we've done in this one, or if you wanted you could use one similar to the ribbon so that you can't see it. And then you just use a basic stitch along the ribbon. And again, you have to make sure you're getting both sides. Got a knot. There we go. Just continue doing this the whole way around, and when you get to the end of the ribbon, if you just fold it back about an inch, it just means when you go to sew it into place it's a bit of a tidier finish. And this is what it'll be like when it's done. And if you do have a sewing machine, you can sew lines over it to make it have a quilted effect, and it just makes it look a wee bit better. So that's how you do the egg placemats.